So picture a chaotic restaurant kitchen on a busy Friday night,
Oh, stressful.
right? And there's no ticket system at all. Waiters are just, shouting orders over the fryers, maybe writing on stray napkins, or even texting the chef.
Sounds like a total disaster.
It is a total disaster. Well, according to our sources, that is exactly how a shocking number of facilities still run their multi-million-dollar maintenance operations.
Yeah, it's wild.
So welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're exploring why moving past that manual tracking is, really the single most significant operational leap a maintenance team can make right now.
Absolutely.
Because the real costs of the old way are just staggering. You've got lost time, zero management visibility, smudged whiteboards, and work requests sent via text to a technician's personal phone.
Yeah, and since that manual method is clearly broken, you really have to look at how bringing in a digital system actually changes the physical reality on the floor.
Right. How does it actually change things?
Well, it completely shifts human behavior by just removing friction. Let's say a machine operator is on the floor and a conveyor belt snaps.
Okay.
Instead of wandering around looking for someone or, leaving a sticky note on a desk somewhere, they just scan a QR code right on the asset to submit a request.
Oh, wow. So it's immediate.
Exactly. And the system effectively acts as an automated dispatcher. By cross-referencing the facility's floor plan with the shift schedule, it just pings the nearest certified tech.
Wait, so it actually knows who is certified for what?
Yeah. It prevents, say, a junior technician from being sent to a dangerous high-voltage job.
That works just like a smart ride-sharing app, right?
Yeah.
You request a ride, and the algorithm instantly pings the closest, most qualified driver.
That is a perfect way to look at it. And that's really the core logic behind Cryotis maintenance management.
Right.
It's not just about a digital checklist. It's about treating the entire life cycle of a task, from that initial QR scan to the final wrench turn, as one continuous automated flow.
And the technician's experience completely flips, too, I'd imagine.
Oh, absolutely.
Because getting a mobile notification before they even walk over to the broken machine, that means they already have the asset's history and safety checklists right in the palm of their hand.
Yeah, and the required parts list. They aren't wasting hours walking back and forth to a maintenance office to grab paper assignments.
Right, they just go straight to the problem.
Exactly. And they log their parts and time digitally right on the spot.
Which has to instantly solve the manager's biggest headache.
Yeah.
If techs are logging things in real time, the manager isn't spending Friday afternoon guessing where 400 labor hours went.
Spot on. Managers finally get real-time visibility into their MTTR, their mean time to repair, and their planned to unplanned work ratios. It basically moves the entire operation from just guessing to making actual data-driven decisions about staffing and asset replacement.
But wait, I have to play devil's advocate here.
Sure, go for it.
If a facility is currently drowning in a sea of paper and sticky notes, doesn't ripping the Band-Aid off and digitizing everything on a Monday morning sound like an absolute nightmare for the floor staff?
Well, yeah, that is the trap a lot of places fall into, trying to do too much at once.
Right, it's overwhelming.
Very. The key is to really just start small. Don't try to automate complex preventive maintenance schedules right out of the gate.
So what do you do on day one then?
On day one, simply digitize the intake. Require your floor staff to submit their reactive maintenance requests through a digital portal or an app.
I see. Centralize the chaos first.
Exactly. Just get everything into one digital bucket. Once you do that, automating the dispatching and tracking becomes a very natural next step.
That makes a lot of sense.
Because you don't automate maintenance just to change the machines. You do it to change behavior.
So transforming guesswork into real leverage starts simply by digitizing that intake. It clears the operational chaos and turns those stray sticky notes into actual actionable data.
Yeah, just by making the right way the easiest way.
I love that. So think about your own day. If automating maintenance tracking so drastically reveals where labor hours actually go, what other invisible tasks in your own daily workflow are you currently losing to the modern equivalent of a smudged whiteboard?
That's a really great question to leave off on.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Cryotis Maintenance Management Podcast.